In this linear equation in two variables, let us consider this word problem. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden. Okay, half the perimeter of a rectangular garden. Half the perimeter means half. Perimeter is twice length plus breadth. Okay, the meaning of this much part. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width. This is another part. एक रेक्टेंगुलर गार्डन है जिसकी लेंथ कितनी है, विड्थ से 4 मीटर बड़ी है. ओके, सो दिस इज योर सेकंड कंडीशन. हाफ द पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगुलर गार्डन हुज लेंथ इज 4 मोर देन इट्स विड्थ इज 36. ये पेरीमीटर कितना है आपका, 36. गेटिंग दैट? फाइंड द डायमेंशंस ऑफ द गार्डन. सो वी बिगिन एज, लेट the length and breadth of the garden or of the rectangular garden be x meter and y meter respectively. Okay. Now by first condition, as I showed you the first condition, half the perimeter of rectangle is 36. Half perimeter of a rectangle is given by twice length plus breadth. Length is x, breadth is y, is equal to 36. So x plus y is equal to 36. This is your equation number 1. Okay. Now by second condition, he says whose length is, rectangular garden की length is x, is यानी is equal to, whose length is 4 more plus 4 then its width क्या है, y. This is your equation 2. Okay, or you can write this as x minus y is equal to 4. This becomes your equation 2. Now let us add equation 1 and 2. Simple. So adding 1 and 2, add equations 1 and 2. What do we get? X plus y is equal to 36. X minus y is equal to 4. You are adding. This is cancelled. You have 2x is equal to 40. So x will be 40 upon 2. So your x will be 20. Means the length is how much? 20 meter. Now let us put the value of x in equation 1, or in equation 2 we can go for. Put x is equal to 20 in x is equal to y plus 4. So 20 is equal to y plus 4. So 20 minus 4 is your y. So 16 is your y. So the width is 16 meter and the length is how much? It is 20 meter. So length is 20 meter and width or breadth is 16 meter. Are you getting this? Okay, so now we take one more word problem. The sum says a fraction becomes 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. What is he saying? The first part, a fraction becomes 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to the numerator and the denominator both. And if you are adding 3 to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. You have to find out the fraction. So your solution will be as, in your solution, let the fraction be x upon y. Okay, so by first condition, according to the first condition, क्या बोल रहा है, ये जो फ्रैक्शन है ये 9 अपॉन 11 बनेगा. कब बनेगा? अगर आप 2 न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में ऐड कर रहे हो. सो x प्लस 2 upon y plus 2 is 9 upon 11. Getting that? Now we cross multiply. When you cross multiply, it will be 11 into x plus 2 and 9 into y plus 2. This becomes 11x plus 22, 9y plus 18. Transfer कर लो, frame a linear equation in two variables. 9x 11x minus 9y is 18 minus 22. Okay, now if you subtract 18 from 22, you will have answer as 4. So 11 minus 9y is equal to 4. This is your equation number 1. Come to the second condition. By second condition, what he says? By second condition, he puts it, if 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 upon 6. So let us add 3 to the numerator and to the denominator. What does it become? It becomes 5 upon 6. Again you will cross multiply. 6 multiplied by x plus 3 and 5 multiplied by y plus 3. So here you will get 6x plus 18 and 5y plus 15. Let us transfer the terms. 6x minus 5y is 15 minus 18. Here should be minus 4. So 6x minus 5y will be equal to minus 3. This is your equation 2. Okay. अब अगर आप दोनों इक्वेशंस को देखोगे, 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4 and 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3, इनमें कोएफिशिएंट्स कोई भी सेम नहीं है. तो what are we going to do is, we will multiply the first equation by, we'll multiply the first equation by 5, okay, and the second equation by 9. So let us do that first. Okay, so we write multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 9. अब इस इक्वेशन को अगर आप 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, कंप्लीट इक्वेशन को यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 5. So that will give you 5 11s are 55x, 9 5s are 45y and 5 4s is 20. सेकेंड इक्वेशन को आपको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? बाय 9. सो 9 6 6 9 54x, 9 5 45y and 9 3 27. This is your equation 3 and this is your equation 4. Let us subtract those two equations. What are we going to do? We will subtract the two equations. Equation 3 minus equation 4. So if you subtract the two equations, see over here. If you subtract, the sign will change. सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहे हो, 55 में से 54 गया, x ये कैंसिल हो गया, 27 में से 20 गया, 7. So your value of x is 7. Numerator is 7. Let us put the value of x in equation 2. In this equation we will put, in equation 2 we will put the value of x. So we write here, put x is equal to 7 in equation 2. And what is your equation 2? 6x minus 5y is minus 3. 6 into 7, x की वैल्यू 7 है, minus 5y is equal to minus 3. 6 sevens are 42, minus 5y is equal to minus 3. अब माइनस 3 को इधर लेके आ जाओ तो दैट विल बिकम प्लस 3. माइनस 5y को इधर लेके आ जाओ तो दैट विल बिकम प्लस 5y. 42 plus 3 is 45 divided by 5 is equal to y. So your denominator is 9. So what is the fraction? The fraction is your answer. What is the fraction? The fraction is 7/9. Okay.